In my previous video, I talked about how to create different scenes with the same characters. Now, I'll explain how to create consistent characters using Midjourney. Let's go straight to the Midjourney Discord and quickly create a character here. I'll type imagine quickly and paste my prompt here. Previously, ChatGPT helped me create a prompt for a cartoon character with pink hair. You can also use ChatGPT or another translation tool if your English isn't very advanced. I pasted the prompt and am waiting for my character to be created. It's loading the character. It offers 4 different options, and we'll choose one to proceed. It has created quite nice pink-haired characters. Let's select the second one. We've made our choice, and it uploaded the larger version for us. As you can see, we'll try to create this character consistently in different scenes. Let's start step by step right away. Now, let's place this girl in a scene. I'll talk about how to do that. Again, I type imagine and write my prompt directly. I'll simply type, the girl is walking in Paris. But here's a very important thing to do. I leave a space after my prompt. Now, the girl is a very vague description. Even though I say the girl, to make it animate the pink-haired girl above walking in the streets of Paris, I need to do one thing. I write 2 dashes and enter my CREF code. Then I leave a space after the code. Next, I enlarge the image, right-click on it, and copy the image URL. After copying, I paste this URL after CREF and send it to Midjourney to create the character. Let's see if it can actually use the girl in the image. We'll check this in the visual output. By the way, if you try this CREF code while using Midjourney to create visuals, let me know in the comments whether it was consistent or not, and if you managed to achieve it. We're testing it together here. Wow! I think it worked. Let's take a closer look. This was our girl, and it seems like the second and fourth ones turned out fine. Let's proceed. Now that we've created it successfully, let's create the same character in another scene. This time, let's make her walk on Mars. Let's also try to make her wear an astronaut suit. While doing this, I'll share another tip. I start quickly again. I type imagine and write my prompt. Let's see the result after specifying a similarity rate of 85. The image is loading. Let's enlarge it. The face looks quite consistent, and although I didn't specify a drawing style like anime, this one turned out with a cinematic feel. Next, let's create the same pink-haired girl in anime style. This time, we'll put her in a green dress dancing at a beach wedding. Paste the image URL and specify a similarity rate of 98. Let's see how consistent the result will be. The image is loading. Let's take a look. Yes, our pink-haired character in a green dress is dancing. The prompt was short, but the visual is still quite good. As I said, creating detailed prompts is crucial. This video focused on how to create consistent characters, and with these 2 codes, CREF and CW, you can easily control consistency in your visuals. I hope these tips are useful for you. If you're using Midjourney and haven't tried these codes yet, try them out and share your experiences in the comments. If you watched the video to the end, don't forget to hit the like button. Take care, and see you in the next video.